In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Miro board in Nifty. Whether you're collaborating with your team remotely or organizing your personal tasks, integrating Miro with Nifty is a fantastic way to enhance your project management workflows. Let's get started by accessing your Miro account. To do this, head over to mero.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log in. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice the login option. Click on this to proceed. Now you have the option of signing in with your email, or if you prefer, you can use your Google account. This provides a convenient single sign-on if you're looking to streamline your user experience across platforms. For this guide, click on Continue with Email after entering your credentials. Now that you're inside your Miro dashboard, take a look through your boards. Once you find the board you'd like to use, click on it to open. When your selected board loads, you'll see various options at the top of the screen. Look for the button labeled Export this board. It's typically located near your board's name. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu, select Embed. This option will provide you with the necessary code to integrate your board elsewhere. An embed code will be generated for you. Click on Copy Embed Code to copy it to your clipboard. With your embed code ready, it's time to head over to your Nifty workspace. Navigate to your Nifty board where we're going to create a custom view for your Miro board. Look for the plus sign at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to adding new components. Click on the plus sign and then select Add Custom View. You'll need to name your new view, so give it a name that reflects the purpose or content of your board, something that will make it easily identifiable for you and your team. Once that's complete, you'll see an option to paste your previously copied embed code. Simply paste the code into the designated area. After you have successfully embedded your board by pasting the code, click on Create. This action will finalize the setup and generate a new pane in your Nifty workspace where your Miro board will be displayed. Now it's time to see the fruits of your labor. Click on See the Board to view how your Miro board appears in your Nifty project. This seamless integration allows you to interact with your Miro content directly from within Nifty, enhancing collaboration and ensuring that all your project details remain centralized. And that's it, you've successfully integrated a Miro board into Nifty. Keep exploring these tools to fully take advantage of all they have to offer. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.